Hey everyone, today I'll walk you through deploying a portfolio on Vercel. You'll need your portfolio code pushed to a GitHub repository to follow along. Head over to vercel.com and either sign up for a new account or log in. On the sign up page, you'll see a Continue with GitHub button. Click that. This connects your GitHub account to Vercel. A GitHub authorization screen will pop up asking for permissions. Grant Vercel access to your repositories. You can choose all repositories or select specific ones. Once that's done, you'll land back on the Vercel dashboard. In the top right corner of the dashboard, click the New Project button. This brings up a list of all your accessible GitHub repositories. Find your portfolio repository in that list and click the Import button next to it. You'll be taken to the project configuration page. At the top of the configuration page, you'll see a project name field. It's usually auto-filled based on your repository name, but you can change it if you want. This name will be part of your deployment URL. Scroll down to the Framework Preset dropdown. Vercel auto-detects your framework based on config files in your repo. So if you're using next.js, React, Vue, or static HTML, it should pick that up. Confirm it's detected the right one. Below that is the Build and Output Settings section, with fields like Build Command, Output Directory, and Install Command. These are auto-filled based on the framework Vercel detected, so for most setups you won't need to change them. If your portfolio is in a subdirectory rather than the root of your repo, set the root directory field, otherwise leave it blank. If your portfolio needs environment variables like API keys, scroll down to the Environment Variables section and add them as key value pairs. You can set which environments they apply to: preview, production, or all. If your portfolio doesn't need any, skip this step. Once you're happy with the settings, scroll to the bottom and click the Deploy button. The build process kicks off immediately, and you'll see real-time build logs on screen. This usually takes between 30 seconds and 2 minutes depending on your project size. When it finishes successfully, you'll see a confetti animation and Vercel will display your live URL, something like your projectname.vercel.app. After deployment, any new commits you push to your GitHub repository will automatically trigger new deployments. Commits to your main branch update the live site, while commits to other branches create preview deployments you can test before merging. That's the full deployment process. If you hit any issues, check your build logs in the Vercel dashboard. They'll show exactly where the problem is.